Hello, it's Miss Stephanie, and I'm back with another STEM kit. It's been really fun to watch people check these out and just how excited everyone is to learn and just be excited about doing hands-on activities. So today's new kit is called Construction and Building, and as you can kind of see from the activities that I have displayed here, it is for younger children, pre-K-ish through second grade, but give or take, I mean, some older, some younger may still enjoy it. Luckily, the parts on these are fairly big, so we're not worried about choking. So, if it's a little bit younger than pre-K, that would probably work out just fine. And as with all of our other kits, we have one book and this time 2 activities. So let's get started. Our book would be good for you if you like to build stuff or watch things be built. This is called Construction Zone. It is nonfiction and it goes through just the whole construction process from beginning to finished. And it shows a lot of great pictures about things like excavators and explains that big word and what it means. I especially like this picture and this page because it shows some welding, which I think is really cool, and it talks about the word rebar. So if you want to know what rebar is, you can check out this kit and read this book and find out about that. So that's our book, Construction Zone. Now, the first activity is just back to basics, 100 wooden blocks. It does list on the side how many of each piece there are. And of course, you can do all kinds of creative things with wooden blocks. The possibilities are endless. So a nice set of sturdy wooden blocks is there. And then our second activity, this is an activity that I went ahead and made a model for. How do you like my my race car? All right, so this is my race car that I built, and this is comes out of an activity box, a construction set in a box, and it has all kinds of pieces and parts that you can build with. We have some bolts of different colors and sizes. We have some nuts of different colors that go with the bolts, like that. And we have some cubes that can be part of your building process, some construction pieces that can link everything together, and even a screwdriver to go with it. Okay. And so, and there will be this instruction piece in there to show you how to build a few different things. And of course, you can just be creative and figure out how to build some of your own things. So this is our construction and building kit. We have Construction Zone, 100 wooden blocks, and a construction building set with nuts and bolts and different pieces and parts. Come on in and see us. Remember, an adult has to check it out on their adult card and sign a checkout form, just verifying that all the parts are there and that all the parts will come back. Have fun and enjoy learning. Bye.